Hello friends, hope you're well. Today I'll show you the new website. First of all, you can see that the name of website TRON First of all, how to register in this website. Enter your username, 6 to 16 letters or numbers is bit extra. You can enter your number and enter your any password. If you have any password, enter your password and enter the recommendation code. I can provide the description link. You click on the directly link in this visit in this website. And the next option is area code plus mobile number. If you have any country you can belong this, you can enter your area code plus mobile number, enter the mobile number section, and next now you can enter your email. If you have any email, enter your email and click below the options register now the button and directly log in the direct website and register your account automatically. So I can already account created, so I will log in this account. So I will log in this account. You can see that. So I will log in this account and TRON app.in. First of all, you can see that the desktop of website. Latest announcement: to activate the account, a deposit of 5 TRX is required and a minimum deposit of 100 TRX is recommended to receive benefits. The upgrade of the TRON app mining platform has been completed. Now the platform mining, you can see that all to all mining finance deposit revenue descriptions. You can see that. All total you can see that, and next option I will show you. You can see that all total in this website. Rate this all total in this website. You can see that. And the how to grade VIP level 1, you can see that the system will calculate the cumulative deposit total and automatically upgraded you to appreciate level. For example, the first recharge is 3001 TRX, the second recharge is you can see that the 10,000 TRX. You can see that all total in this website. You can see that. And first of all, you can see that the desktop of website and my total balance is 9,000 TRX. You can see that. And first of all, if you have any problem in this website, click on the customer service in this website. You can see that. Click on the customer service. Any problem, you can see that. Contact this customer service. And my basic account, my promotion account, you can see that all total in this website. And the auto, you can see that in notifications you can read this auto, and instant quotes you can see that TRX USDT, Doji USDT, Ethereum USDT, BNP USDT, you can see that auto. And profit withdrawal, you can see that the latest transaction, you can see that. And the global partners options, TRON, Dogecoin, Binance, Coinbase, Tether, Ethereum, Bitmain, you can see the big company will be related in this website. First of all, how to deposit in this website. Click on the deposit options and click the deposit option and transfer to basic account. You can see that transfer to promotion account, and you can enter your basic, transfer to basic also, you can see that. So I will transfer to basic deposit. You can see that. Choose the TRX and copy the address. And if you have any wallet, so I have Trust wallet, so I will send the 50 TRX in this website. You can see that. Paste the address and enter the 50 TRX and send the amount in this address. You can see that. And send the amount in this website. You can see that my 50 TRX has been submitted in order. You can see that. And my 50 TRX will be pending status. You can see that. A few minutes you can see that my 50 TRX will be completed. In few minutes you can see that, and you can see that my 50 TRX will be completed. You can see that my status will be completed. So if you visit your website and click the submit successfully option, you can see that. And the submission is complete. Please wait for the balance to change. You can see that my 50 TRX will be added in few instant. Immediately you can see that added in this website. And in next option you can see that withdrawal option. I will guide you last option. And the next option is share option. Click on the share options and you can see that my invitation code and my invitation link. You can see that you can invite your social links. You can see that any friends you can have share the platform in this website. You can see that. And the next option is team option. You click on the team options. First of all, you can see that level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 categories. You can see that all in this website. And the next option is app option. If you are interested to download this application in this website, click on the Android and download the application in this website also. And the guide option, first of all, you can see that all in this website. If you refer and share the link to your friend to recharge, you can get 40% of A level, 3% of B level, 1% of C level, 1% of D level. You can see that teaching step. You can see that read this in this website, and also read this in this website official channels. You can see that. And the next option is mining option. You can see that deposit amount in few minutes. You can see that in 2 EST times. You can daily mining in this website. You see that. And invest option, you can first of all you can see that my VIP one. You can see that, and my VIP one will be active. You can see that my deposit is 50 TRX, and now you can see that VIP 15 TRX to 1000 TRX will be activated in VIP 1. If you have any deposit in 1000 to another big value, you can see that. So you can enter your VIP 2 and another, you can see that total. And first of all, you can see that VIP 1 5 TRX to 1000 TRX income 9% to 10% daily, and daily withdrawal is 9% to 10%. You can see that VIP 2 will be, you can see that 1001. You can see that, and 2 Any other amount you can see that all in this website. You can see that VIP3, VIP4, VIP6, VIP7, VIP8, VIP9, VIP10. You can see that all in this website. And cycle investment, you can see that all in this website. If you have interested to cycle investment in this website, you can see that all post pledge minings, 10-day recycles, 15-day recycles, 30-day recycles, 15 days recycles, 80 days recycles. You can see that all in this website. If you have any amount, you can see that, enter the amount and participate. Click on the participate the option and you continue the option in this website. And the next option is records. First of all, you can see that my 50 TRX will be running, and you can see that equity black. You can see that. And the next option share has the value in this website. And the next option is mind option. Transfer to basic option. First of all, you can see that transfer to basic. You can see that if you have interested to transfer to basic, you can see that all. And if you have interested to change your password, you can change your password in this website. And in notifications option, you can see that all. And the last option is withdrawal option. Click on the withdrawal options and click on the withdrawal options, and you can earn the first of all mining the options. So I will collect the mining options, so I will guide you how to withdraw in this. Guys, you can see that my mining will be received. You can see that click on the mining options, and daily basis you can see that receive in 4.5 TRX. You will receive the mining 9 to 10% daily basis. You will invest the amount in this website. And the next option is last option. I will guide you how to withdraw in this website. You can see that my withdrawal balance is 4.5 TRX. You can see that, and also you can say enter the 4.5 TRX and choose the withdrawal method. First of all, add digital currency wallet. Enter the wallet. You can see enter the wallet and enter the password. You can see that. So I will enter the transaction password, payment password. You can see that withdrawal. So I will enter the another wallet in this website. So I can enter the TRX address. You can see that, and continue button, and my withdrawal address will be set, payment password will be set, and you can enter your pay amount. You can see that my amount is 4.5, so I will enter the 4.5 and confirm the withdrawal options. First of all, show the withdrawal and enter the password. First of all, I will enter the password. You can see that the set password, and you can click on the withdrawal and cannot withdraw during this time. You can see that withdrawal will be received in few minutes. You can see that my withdrawal will be received, and few minutes I will guide you how to withdraw it. So guys, you can enter your amount and payment password. You can select the payment password and enter the payment password. You can see that, and withdrawal, click the withdrawal options, and withdrawal options, and withdrawal will be succeed. You can see that my withdrawal report will be pending, and you can see that 4.5 TRX will be pending, will be approved. I can show you in records. You can see that records, and my withdrawal will be received in few minutes. I can show you in this website. As you can see that my withdrawal will be successful. You can see that, and I will enter my wallet. You can see that my withdrawal will be received in 4.5 TRX. You can see that good website, earn money in this amount in daily basis, and daily basis you can withdraw in this website. I can provide the next video in this website. You can earn the amount in this website. So